Welcome back, everybody. Bev, have you heard the phrase, there are three kinds of lies? Lies, damned lies, and statistics.
Absolutely, Gordon. It's a saying that highlights how statistics can be manipulated to support almost any argument.
Exactly. I recently read an article discussing this very issue. It pointed out how a sales manager might boast about a 100% increase in sales. But when you dig deeper, it turns out that it went from one sale last week to two this week. Technically accurate, but potentially misleading.
That's a classic example. The article also mentioned how small sample sizes can be used to make bold claims. For instance, interviewing just 5 CEOs and finding that 3 believe more should be spent on data protection could lead to the headline, "Almost two-thirds of South Africa's CEOs admit to not spending enough on data protection."
Right. Such a tiny sample isn't representative, but the statistic sounds compelling. The misuse of data is sometimes called data dredging or p-hacking, where numerous variables are tested until something statistically significant appears, even if it's just by chance.
And it's not just in business. The article highlighted how crime statistics can be presented in ways that mislead the public. For example, reporting a slight decrease in crime rates without acknowledging that the numbers are still alarmingly high doesn't provide the full picture.
Exactly. This selective presentation can shape public perception in ways that don't necessarily align with reality. That's why it's crucial for us as consumers of information to critically evaluate the statistics we encounter and consider the context in which they presented.
Absolutely. We should ask questions like, who conducted the study? What was the sample size? Were there any potential biases? By doing so, we can better discern the reliability of the statistics we're presented with.
In the end, while statistics are valuable tools, it's essential to approach them with a critical eye to ensure we're not being misled.
Couldn't agree more, Gordon. Stay informed, everyone, and as always, dig deeper than the headline numbers.
That's all for today's discussion. Thank you for tuning in.